Good morning, my friends. This video I'm shooting here right now is due to be released in about 12 hours. So I'll get into that. So over the past couple weeks, I have not been recording anything at all. Anytime I've been riding this bike, I have been without cameras, and it kind of has a freeing feeling to not have to worry about doing a motor vlog, just to enjoy the ride. And since I do not have a backlog anymore, I have to start recording again to meet my schedule, which I really don't have to meet a schedule. It's just, I try to meet a schedule. So, and most of you know I post Saturday nights, and it normally goes live about 6 o'clock. So, that being said, I've been in kind of a funk. I just really haven't felt like doing any recording. So, it's been a good 2 or 3 weeks since I've actually recorded a video. And the last video I recorded was, what the hell was that now? The last video I recorded was the last one I just released, which was talking about a buddy of mine that died. And I'll put that up here so you can check it out if you want to. Yeah, it's been nice not to actually have to worry about mounting a GoPro anywhere and just doing your thing. It's been really nice. So I actually had all my camera equipment with me the other day on my way when I went to work. I brought it with me. I actually brought the Hero 9 in the truck with me so I could charge it while I was working. So by the time I got done in the morning and I was getting on the bike, I was just like, you know what, screw it. I threw the cameras back in the bag and said I didn't feel like doing it. So that's why I'm doing this now on my way home from work now, because if I want to keep the schedule that I gave myself, made for myself, I have to make a video. So I'm making a video. Now, I'm kind of curious. I've talked to a couple people about it, and they have their camera equipment with them most of the time. So I'm just wondering, all you motovloggers out there, do you always have your camera equipment with you, or is it, you know, do you ride just to ride? I mean, just to ride, it's taking you back before all the YouTube, you know, doing this stuff, the YouTube, I'm not going to say pressure, but the YouTube desire, drive, whatever you want to call it, to get a video out on your schedule. And it just reminds me of when you would just ride the ride, when you would just enjoy being on two wheels and enjoy the scenery and enjoy, you know, everything else, and not have to worry about talking to a camera. That's the question I'm posing to people today. If you are a motovlogger, do you ever just ride to ride and not record? Because I certainly do. And I think we all need to do it. Like, really, I think it's something we all need to do from time to time. Just ride, just enjoy the wind therapy without talking. So, all right, guys. next time, stay safe and love one another. Peace.